This video is brought to you by the Off-Road Podcast and Warren Industries. Go prepared. I love the will not run.
I know.
I'm glad you left that on there. Really great views up here, guys. This is really why I like the Pacific Northwest. I mean, you can see so far away. But now we're gonna head up. We're gonna go to Bates Road, and so we're gonna load back up into the trucks and get going. All right, guys, we're getting ready to run Bates Road. This one is a pretty good trail for most of it. It turns into a Forest Service road about halfway through, but this section that we're about to go up is my favorite section on the trail, and shouldn't have any problems with the size limits of the LMTV, so should be a good one. Take both lefts.
When the road splits, if you haven't already, take both lefts and then drive.
Both lefts. Yeah. I got it. We're good. I think we took the wrong side on one of them, but we're good. Foot popped off the gas. That's how I remembered it. We came down that we ran this in the opposite direction. I kind of like that better as a hill climb.
Oh, that was an awesome hill climb.
Yeah.
It was amazing.
Yeah. Well, guys, that was an epic hill climb. Everybody had a good time. We all made it to the top. Now we're heading up, and we're going to continue down the trail. You picked up a log. Yeah, I remember this one when Brenda and I were out.
I'll go on.
Aaron, did I hear you lifted a tire on that one?
I did lift a tire on that one. That one was crazy.
Which tire?
I think it was the passenger rear. Yeah.
Oh, well, that's... Oh, man, that's the opposite direction of the GoPro.
Yeah.
Although we should have got it on yours.
No, it was full. It kept getting folded in, so we didn't get it at all.
Just cranking up the hill. He is just cranking up it, letting that diesel purr. Well guys, that was a great day of wheeling. We got to get out in Tillamook, Oregon and go to the Tillamook National Forest, State Forest, Tillamook State Forest. We got to wheel with 2 Army vehicles and it was awesome. The first part of the day we kind of hit some trails that we couldn't really squeeze through with the huge LNTV, but then that last trail, oh man, that was great. Some great hill climbs. Hopefully those came out well in the video. Just want to remind you guys, we didn't need it today, but go ahead and check out Warren if you need any recovery gear, winches, recovery gear, armor. They definitely make the best stuff. If we needed it today, we're really glad that we run Warren. Make sure you guys hit subscribe if you haven't done so already. And I got these 2 jokers behind me. Well, what's next, guys?
Christmas Valley. Yeah, and possibly Lottie Flats on the way home. Yeah.
That'll be a good one.
It's gonna be a great trip. Yeah.
Stay tuned, guys. Thanks for watching.